Hello students, welcome back. Students, in our HCF and LCM chapter, today we are going to learn practice set number 13. In the practice set number 13, there are two questions. First is find the LCM. LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, and in the second question, find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given number. Okay, let's see. I choose three examples here. Okay, here also we have to find the factors. Now the first example is here 12 and I choose third example here 18 and 32. So the third example we'll find out the factor first. Now look here. Before starting these three examples, see students, on page number 20 there are some rules are given. Okay, so that rules help us to make the factors of this LCM. Now look here, on page number 20 the rules are, first rule is use the test of divisibility to find the prime number that divides all the numbers and then divide the given number. Okay, here we have to choose the test of divisibility. Now here 18 and 32, here we have to use divisibility test of 2. Okay, you know divisibility test 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 10. So here we have to just choose the divisibility test, means which numbers are divisible to this one. Okay, then repeat this process for the question as many times as possible. Okay, we have to repeat, means we have to make the factors here in one step, here 3 steps the answers, here also 3 steps answers came. Okay, so we'll see while solving this. Now one more rule is there. Now find the number that divides at least 2 of the numbers obtained and divide those numbers by the number you find. Now here only 2 are there. In this example here also 2 numbers are there, but here 3 numbers. Now this rule is applied to here. What is that they tell us? Now find the number that divides at least 2 of the numbers. Now see here, here 18, 36 and 27. Okay, here we have to choose the number that is divisible to at least, here 3 numbers are given, at least 2. Now see, 18 can be divided by 2 and 36 can be divided by 2, but 27 is not. So at least 2. If I write here 3, okay, so 3 also, and this also, and 27 also divide, but we have to start from smallest number 2. Okay, so we can start from 3 also, no problem. Okay, but we have to start from the smaller number. Then do this as many times as possible. If the number cannot be divided, leave it as it is. Now see, this 27 is divisible by 2? No. So we have to take as it is 27. Here 18 is divided by 2, 36 is divided by 2, but 27. So we have to take the number as it is. Okay, then try by the next number. Okay, then the next rule is stop when the only common divisor you get is 1. When you get the common divisor 1, till there you have to divide. Okay, so this kind of rules are there. So just look here. Now 18 and 32, 2 9s are 18 and 2 16s are 32. Okay, now 9 and 16, 9 is divisible by 3 and 16 no. Okay, so we'll stop here. Okay, now we have to find the LCM. When we are finding the LCM, that time we have to take this column, these columns, all the numbers and the last column numbers also. Sorry, this is column, this is row. So the columns here 2 3 3, here 2 3 3. We have to take these numbers having in the column and rows also. Here 9 and 16, last row 5 and 43, 1 2 3. All we have to multiply. Now see here LCM. We have to find the LCM of 18 and 32. So 2 into 9 into 16. So if we multiply this, then we will get the answer 288. Okay, now let's move to the second example here, 45 and 86. So the factors, first we will divide to 45 by 2. So this is not possible. Okay, so as it is a number we have to take, this 45 as it is we have to take. Now we have to divide to 86. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. 43 is there. Now 45 is not divisible by 2 and 43 also. So we'll take 3 now. So 3 1s are 3. Okay, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. So 15 here. This 43 is not divisible by 3. So just again we have to take as it is 43. Now this 15 and 43. So 15 is again we know that is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 43 is not divisible, then as it is we have to take. Okay. Now students, here also you can add 5 1s are 5. Okay. But let's stop. Now column numbers and last row number we have to take. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 43. If we multiply this, then we will get the answer 3870. This is the LCM of 45 and 86. Okay. Now the next example. Here 3 numbers are there, 18, 36 and 27. Okay. As I explain you, here you have to choose, if there are 3 numbers, more than 3 numbers, then we have to choose 2 numbers that should be divisible. Okay. All 3 are divisible, then it's no problem, but at least 2 numbers that should be divisible. So 18 and 36 divisible. 2 9s are 18. Here 18 2s are 36. 27 is not divisible by 2. We have to take as it is. Then 9 and 18 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. And here 27 is divisible by 3 also. So 3 9s are 27. Okay. Now again 3 6 and 9. We know 3 6 and 9 divisible test of 3, that you know. So 3 is, these all numbers are divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now again what I told, when we have to write the factors, then take the whatever the numbers in the column, multiply the last row. Okay. So 2 multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 3. Actually one no need, but here that mention, so you have to know this one also there, so I have to write here. So if we multiply all these, then we will get the LCM 108. Okay students, these 3 examples I explain you. According to this you have to make the factors and find the LCM. Okay. Now then question number 2. This question is little bit different. Okay. Find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Okay. We have to find the HCF and LCM also. Then verify that their product is equal to the product of their given numbers. Then verify their products, means products of HCF. First we have to find the HCF and LCM. Okay. Then we have to find the product, means we have to multiply HCF and LCM. Okay. And then is equal to the product of the given numbers, and then again the given numbers, so here 32 and 37, that products we have to verify that is equal or not equal to. Let's see here. Okay. 32 and 37. I find out the factors separately here. 32. 2 16s are, then 2 8s are, 2 4s are, here 2 2s are. So the factors of 32, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now 37's factor. 37 is a prime number that is not divisible, so 31 ones are 31. So I write here the factor of 37 multiplied by 1. So what is the common factor here? Here all 2, here 37 and 1. So 1 is the common factor here. So 1 is the HCF of 32 and 37. Okay. Now LCM. For LCM, what we have to do? We have to write all the factors of 32 as well as 37, students. Okay. So 2, all the factors of 32 up to here, and then multiply by 1 and 37. And I now write the 1 directly 37. If you want to write the 1, you can write. Okay. So 37. These all the factors and factors of 37 also. I write here 37. If we multiply, then we get the product of HCF and LCM, that is 1184. This is the product of this is the LCM. Okay, this is actually LCM of 32 and 37. Now we have to find the product of HCF and LCM. HCF multiplied by LCM. Okay, now what is the HCF? 1 is the HCF. Okay, and the LCM is 1184. So HCF multiplied by LCM. They said verify that their product is equal to the product of the given number. So here we have to find out first the product of HCF and LCM. HCF is 1, LCM is 1184. The product is 1 multiplied by 1184, that is 1184. Okay, this is the product of HCF and LCM. Now they ask, then we have to verify to the product of the given numbers. The given numbers are 32 and 37. Okay, so again we have to multiply the product of the given numbers. 32 multiplied by 37. If we multiply by 32 and 37, we get the answer 1184. Okay, so at last we have to write, therefore HCF, see, the product of HCF and LCM is 1184, and the product of the given number also same, that is 1184. Okay, so therefore HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the given number. This way you have to write. Okay, so students, we will solve one more example. Okay students, now one more example I write here, that is 15 and 60. Okay, this is example number 3. So now we will find out the factors of 15 and 60. Okay, 15 and 60. Okay, now 2, if we divide 2, 15 not divisible by 2, 60 is divisible by 2. But if we take 3 or 5, so that we know the divisibility test of 3 and 5. So 15 and 60 is divisible by 3 and 5. So first we will take the smallest number, that is 3. Okay, so now 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, then again 3 2s are 6 and 0. Okay, now students, 5 and 4. 5 and 4, 5 and 20, that 5 and 20 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Okay, now here we have to first write the HCF. Okay, we have to find the HCF first. Now here 3 and 5, HCF of 15 and 16 is 3 and 5. These are the factors 3 and 5. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, now we have to find the LCM. I told you LCM, all the numbers in the column and the last rows, all the numbers we have to take. So 3 into 5 into 1 into 4. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 19. Okay, sorry, see here 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 60. Here 60. Okay, so we got HCF, that is 15, and LCM, that is 60. Okay, now student, according to our question, we have to write HCF and the product of HCF and LCM. HCF is 15 multiplied by the LCM is 60. Okay, so LCM multiplied by, so here now HCF multiplied by 15 6 are I'll write here 90 and this one 0. So 900 is the product of this one HCF, sorry, HCF and LCM I have to write here 900. Okay, and here product of the given number 15 and 16, HCF also 15 and 16, and product of the given numbers are 15 multiplied by 16. Okay, same HCF and LCM also we got 15 and 16, and the product of the numbers are also 15 and 16, we get 900 and 900. Therefore HCF multiplied by LCM means product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of the given numbers. Okay, so students, I hope you understood this. So any problem, try to solve this, take a photo and send me on WhatsApp if you have any doubt, but I have to see that you are trying to solve the examples. Okay, so now from this practice set number 13, there are in first question 10 examples are there, and here in second question 5 examples. Out of 5 we solve 2 here, and out of 10 we solve 3. Okay, so remaining examples you have to solve, students. Okay, till that, students, take care.